We are pleased to show you the 2017 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bluetooth, AM/FM stereo with CD player, security system, electronic stability control, power windows, brake assist, remote keyless entry, radio data system. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.